First thing you need to do before you get started applying any oil on the surface is stir the jar of oil. You'll notice when you first open it, especially if it's cool outside, it's a solid. Odie's comes pretty much emulsified in every shipment, but what can happen during shipment, the jar could get hot during storage or shipment, and contents can settle over time. So best thing to do to ensure you've got a properly emulsified jar of oil, stir it. And the other thing is, as you can see, the oil comes very thick at first. If you stir it, it starts to loosen up. So here I am, I'm stirring, making sure I'm getting all the ingredients off the bottom and making sure all the contents are properly stirred together and emulsified. Quite simple. Use a old popsicle stick or a tongue depressor or whatever you have handy, or even a spoon. Stir it thoroughly. Make sure you get all the ingredients off the bottom. Stir it up. And this is only for the Odie's oils. Does not apply to the butter or the wax. And now you have liquid. If you have a jar of oil that you've stored for, several months, you might find that there's a skin on it or a crusty area. Don't use those. Don't stir that back into the oil. You can pull that out with a spoon or scrape it away and then discard it. Only use what's still liquid after you stir it.